Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Emily Bella. What you doing? What's good? What's popping? I hope everybody is fine. So today I would like to show you how you can do your own hair butter at home. Mine, I did a herbal hair butter. That's I use herbs to infuse my oil, and then I use it to make my butter. So you're just basically going to see the ingredients I'm going to use, and I'll like write the names of everything I'm going to use on the screen, so you keep watching. So guys, don't mind my sweet almond oil. I've been using it for a lot of production, like I use it on my skin and the rest, so that's why it's small. So yeah, so okay, after that I'll just go ahead and put everything in a bowl. As you can see, I'm putting my cocoa butter, shea butter, my mango butter, and everything. I'm just going to pop everything together. I believe I've done a couple of videos like talking about the benefits of these oils, like cocoa butter, shea butter for the hair. Shea butter is good for the skin, and it's also good for hair, like it softens your hair, and the rest. Mango butter the same. Almond oil is really light, so it really penetrates your hair. And this other one I'm putting here is my herbs infused oil. Like I did a video about how I was making this oil, so if you like to watch how you can infuse your own herbs to your oils, you can go ahead and watch it. I'll keep the link to the video down in the description box. So what I did was I melted it. You can use a double boiler, but since I was in a haste, I just popped it into my microwave, and it was not up to like 1 minute, and it was all melted. So next thing, you pop this into your fridge, oh, not the freezer. So I just went ahead and put a plastic bag over it so that I don't get any water into it, because I'm not going to be using any preservative, just my oils and my butter. So after about 10 minutes, that is what we have. And what you do is just go ahead and whip and whip and whip until you get the consistency you want. I really wanted my own thick and fluffy, like really thick that it cannot fall off from the container, or yeah, really thick and what am I saying, really thick and fluffy too. Yeah, that is what I wanted. So I just went ahead and I was whipping and whipping. Guys, this is so rich, this is so nice, so good for your hair. Like I put it on my hair and it's so soft. And I sell this sometimes, even though this is not the recipe for the hair butters I sell, but if you want this, I can still whip it up for you. And I sell. It's really nice. It's really nice. Like the herbs I used, they are really nice for hair growth. Like they help to boost hair growth. You can see the texture. That is what I was looking for, guys. It's so fluffy, it's so light, it's so airy, and it smells like herbs. If you don't like the smell of herbs, you can go ahead at this stage, you can still go ahead and like use some of your essential oils. But I didn't want to use any essential oil, I didn't want any scent. I just wanted it to be earthy. And as you can see, I'm putting into my containers. Like I had clients who wanted hair butter, so I decided to like shoot the video two at once, and then I'm putting it into the containers. Guys, I cut that bag wrongly. I was supposed to fill it up and then cut the side where it looks like a triangle or like a cone or something. I was supposed to make the thing to look like a cone, and then I just cut that sharp end. But I went and did my own thing, so that's why it's really difficult for me to put into the cups. But yeah, we still got it. And that's our hair growth butter. You can tweak it. If you can tweak it, you can use the kind of herbs that you want. My own herbs, I like infuse it for a month before I use them. So if you want to do this and you want to infuse it, you can like infuse your oil, use any oil of your choice, infuse the herbs that you like, keep them for about 3 weeks, strain it out, and you can make your own hair butter. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel, and please watch the video to the end. And for those who are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. I think this time around I'm fully back, like I'm in a better place after everything that's happened. I am in a better place right now, and I think I'll be bringing more content like this, like every week, at least every week for a start, and maybe the next month I'll start bringing 2 videos a week. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and baba, look at it, it's so fluffy and it melts, like, see, it melts. Oh my god, just imagine that on your hair, so nice. Look at that. That's mine. That's the one I'm going to use. The other ones I placed in the other cups, I'm going to sell them, and you can see it's not falling off like butter. Bye guys.